Let's look at how you can now give your property newsletters a little bit more flair by including colors behind the properties and changing your headline text as well. You can see in the example that my open homes this weekend, instead of having just the plain white background and black writing, I've chose to use my background color from my account, the highlight color at the top, and the highlight color in the More option. To set this up on your newsletter template, you'll be able to go into the Engine section, go to Templates, and search Newsletter. To edit the newsletter, you hit the Edit option. But before you edit this, let's go into your Office settings, go into the Theme area, and let's grab the color code for your highlight color, as we're going to use this on the heading. So we'll select the Copy option, go back into Engine, into Templates, and find your newsletter. Select Edit on the newsletter in the email templates, and to now set up the properties for sale, the same as I've set up my top one, the open homes this weekend, we will select Edit on that particular part of the widget, and in the header option where it has properties for sale, I'm going to change the headline color to be my highlight color, which is our green. In the display option, we can see here that the text color, we will then default to white. And you can pick any color or any color code you need. Now when we go down to the colors option, I'm going to use the row background color and select the color from my theme, which is the background color. And now you'll see that with those three settings, I have a nice dark gray background, a beautiful green headline with a green More option, and white font. And when we're finished setting this up and playing around with our colors, we can save this. And then we can save and close. And if we go back into all of my buyers by clicking the buyers at the top, send email to send them all an email, and I'll pick the newsletter template, you'll now see that the second part of my newsletter matches the top. And the newsletter is starting to look a bit different and have a bit more flair to it when we send that off to all of our buyers each week.